Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you would like to share a folder or a file in your Google Drive and simply share it to other people, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch a new tab and then click on this icon here, puzzle icon, and click on Drive. If you click on Drive, you will get landed onto a page like this. First of all, let's go ahead and upload a file. For that, click on New here and select if it's a folder or file. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with File. Now, as you can see that I have uploaded this image, and if you refresh the page, you will see it right here. Now, let's go ahead and share this specific file to somebody. For that, right-click onto it, click on Share here, and click on Share again. At this page, you have to type in the name of the people, like their email address. Once you do so, if you would like to make them an editor, you may go ahead and do so, viewer, commenter, according to your preference. If you would like to notify them via their email, check this box, or else don't check this, click on Send. And now when you open this image, this is what my files contain. Click on this Share button. You will see who has access to this, who is owner and who is editor. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.